Welcome to another episode for a channel here at Carbon Media. Again, this is Mikey, and today we are here at the opening of the Nexthub Auto Care here at Pasig. So let's go check it out. We are now inside the showroom of the Nexthub Auto Care here at Pasig. Ayan, kasama natin ngayon si Don of MOTUL AUTOPLUS.
Thank you,
And also si Kim. So sasamahan nila tayo para i-tour tong bagong shop na to. So let's go! Let's go! So where are we go? Where are we going? Where are we going? Dito tayo. Sa accessories nila. Let's go, let's go. Hi ma'am!
Ano nilin mo daw?
Yeah, welcome to our vlog, Carbon Media, and let's check out your accessories here. So ma'am, ano ba meron dito?
Sir, meron po kami accessories. Lahat po yan, sir, naka-sale.
Ang mga naka-sale. So, we have Microtex.
Pare, 2,000 naging 1,1 na lang.
Ano to? Inflator. Yeah. Inflator. From 2,000 to 1,000. Alright. Tapos to, yung mga shamoy.
At 150 free na.
Oh, and then and the Microtex here. Ano tong mga to?
Yan, seat back po, sir.
Yung sampayan.
Sampayan. The car covers.
Car cover?
What's this? Jumper.
Pare, the car cover, so cheap na.
Magkano lang yung car cover niya?
Before it was 2,350, now 1,650.
Ayan, naka-sale siya ngayon. So, sa mga naghanap ng car cover,
Visit lang kayo dito.
Visit lang kayo dito. sa Nexthub, Pasig.
Pasig Showroom.
Ito, parking sensors. What's this? Power strip. Mga pang audio. Mahal. Dahil just kidding. Mga naka-sale
Pero
siya.
yung grabe parking sensor nyo. 1,800 na lang.
1.8 na lang from 3,000. So what else do we have here? Horns. Yeah, hella horns.
50% off na.
Let's see. Yung mga yung super tone niya from 3.5 to 2.5 na, less 1,000.
Paano tunog na to?
Meep meep. Meep meep. Although ano to, parang dashcam.
Dashcam, sir.
Yan, from 8,000 to 6.5 na lang. So,
Magandang brand to. Diba?
social. And what else here? Helmets for the motorcycles here.
Perfect, sir.
Pang cleaning, di ba?
Tapos
Yan.
may ano pa sila, leather protector, carbon plus, diba?
Not bad.
All in na.
Eh dahil ka-open lang yan, hindi pa naman siya kompleto eh. So soon, it will be a full accessories na here.
Ito ang ganda, oh.
Ayan, ganda, ang dami. Hopefully in a few weeks, full blow na ang accessory section niya dito. Ayan, yung airbag yan eh.
Yes, sir.
Ang pala, milapon pa.
Oo, sa motor. Sa motor yan, ang galing yan. Oh, mag-i-trip yung mahal ata yung ano yung cartridge niyan, bro.
Hindi pinapalitan pag na-deploy na.
O, tapos may ano pa tayo dito.
Yung mga
Sense.
car perfume.
Ano ito, display? Mapabango.
So yan, let's go check out the main showroom. Here's the main showroom. They have a Nissan on display.
Itong minsan na to, ito yung ano, parang hybrid na.
Ito ba yung Leaf?
Ito, oh.
Ano ba siya?
Ayun, 6 nga.
Yung Kicks. Okay, ito siya. Naka-display siya ngayon dito. So, hybrid or full electric ba to?
Hybrid ata siya. May engine siya na ano yun.
So it's a hybrid car. The
Bali,
Nissan Kicks.
mangyayari, yung makina niya sa gasolina, siya yung mag-charge for your electric.
Correct, yun muna. Then, go for the electric.
Go for the
So
electric.
yan, ang ganda din yan. No? Ano to? Parang subcompact, crossover.
Oo, subcompact crossover.
Plus the motorcycles here.
Ito, napakatipid. Sabi kasi nila is 28 kilometers
Wow,
per
12
liter.
liter.
Napakatipid na to. And then, dito may display.
Dito tayo, yung mga motor. Triumph motorcycles.
Ito, ano to? Trident.
Triumph Trident.
650cc.
Wow.
Triumph na Tiger. Ito,
Ganda, no?
ano na siya, parang semi-touring bike.
Semi-touring, and I like this,
Ito,
the adventure
900
bike.
cc. And then 1,200 cc.
Oh, ang ganda, no? Panlaban sa GS ng BM.
Pang Ironman.
Pang Ironman, oh. Ganda nito.
GS 150 naman.
Pero ito, ang ganda, Triumph. May iba naman, di ba?
Actually, namin ko na nakikita na ito meron.
Dami na din, no? Ganda, ganda nga. And the Piaggio, what you call that?
Ayan, ano. Next time, may MOTUL na yan.
Yung MOTUL na yan, MOTUL AUTOPLUS na yan. So, ayan. So, yan, ito yung, as of now, ito pala yung mga naka-display dito sa showroom.
Dapat magkakaroon daw ng best pa doon eh. Kaso,
Hopefully soon.
Hindi, may car show daw kasi sila.
May car show.
So, andun yung unit.
So, hopefully in a few weeks, magkaka-best pa na rin here on display. We are seeing the Triumphs here. Saka yung mga yan and cars. So, we're done here at the showroom. So, let's check out kung ano pa yung meron dito. Ito. We also have the lounge here. Yan, may TV.
Itong TV na to, may ano yan, may Netflix.
May Netflix. So, PlayStation na lang ata ko lang dito. Pwede na.
PlayStation.
Kaya SIM.
Anong tawag dito sa place mo?
Ito yung aming receiving area po na service po.
Ito yung kanilang receiving area. Ikaw ang service advisor dito. Alright, ito palang pupuntahan natin dito eh. Hanapin natin.
Dito, ginagawa nila yung
Receiving ng mga job orders for the cars.
For the car, yun.
So, check natin kung ano may mga naka-display din dito eh.
Ito yung mga ano nila.
Ito yung mga promos nila, services.
Tapos pinapromote nila ito bago eh. Itong auto hack assist 24/7.
Oh, talaga? May assist on the road?
Assist yan.
Ang galing!
Kahit saan tumirik.
Kahit saan tumirik, pupuntahan nila. And of course, I'm seeing MOTUL. Ayan, one of our brand partners, MOTUL. Ito si Don, taga MOTUL. Oh yeah, MOTUL AUTOPLUS. Number 1. Kasi ito, meron silang mga parang air freshener, no?
Oh, car diffuser.
Car diffuser, yan, no? Meron silang sariling product pala. The brake cleaner, meron din pala sila. In-house brand.
Ano to?
Nano coating windshield cleaner. Oh, pwede.
Brake paste.
They also have their own brake paste.
And then also the mouse repellent.
Mouse repellent.
Ito,
Yan.
pili ko, ini-spray ito sa ano eh, sa engine bay.
Oh, yung mostly naman siya sa engine bay.
And mostly,
Hindi, sa daga daw mismo, pag nakita mo yung daga, i-spray mo doon. So yan, for all of your engine oil needs, always go for MOTUL.
MOTUL.
Yan. MOTUL AUTOPLUS number 1.
Yes, sir.
MOTUL.
Ito, kulang na lang, tumayo ako dito.
Ayan, MOTUL. Right now, we are here at the service area of the Nexthub AutoCare. So, check natin kung gaano kalaki itong shop na to.
Pare, nalula rin ako dito.
Ayan, nakakalula siya. Oh. Ang laki.
Ito yung ano nila. Actually, hindi pa tapos eh. Ito for the wheel alignment.
Wheel alignment looks na kaya hindi pa dumarating. So, ayan. Oh.
Pero may wheel balancer na doon.
May wheel balancer na. So, dyan siya.
Tapos,
So, ang daming pwesto. Ilang cars ang pwede mo ilagay dito.
ito pala yung kotse ni Kim, oh, di ba?
Oh, yan oh. Big time oh. Hilux.
Charles.
Kay Boss Charles, the Evo 5. The MOTUL represent. Yung kotse ni Don nandun din.
Amaya yung
Amaya, so ayan, ito yung service area, may lifters.
lifter nila, dami no?
Madami silang lifters.
4, 5.
So, they will repair your for change oil, maintenance, suspension, lahat. They offer it here. So, ayan oh. MOTUL, syempre ang ano dito na oil, exclusive oils.
Yeah, wala silang ibang kaya.
Yeah, MOTUL number 1.
AUTOPLUS.
Yeah, MOTUL AUTOPLUS lang. So, ito mukhang car wash area nila.
Ayan, yung car wash area nila. And then under wash.
Underwash.
Yeah,
So, ayos. Kasi ito yung tow truck nila for the 24/7 service.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ganda, malaki din siya, no? I think how many cars can usually fit here? 50?
50?
Most likely 50, no? Tapos pwede pa rin kung isisiksik mo eh.
Pwede mo pa ibalagbag.
Oo, kung magbabalagbag ka, marami pa.
Ilabas yung kotse, paatras eh.
Ang ganda ng pwesto niya, no? It's a big warehouse.
Like ano talaga?
Napaka-social, bro.
Kala mo casa.
Oo, looks like the casa style na siya. Casa ba to
Actually,
talaga?
casa to before ng Nissan.
Ah,
So, si Nissan
kinonvert
kasi lumipat na sa yung ano nila dealership.
new dealership.
C5.
So ito na.
Ang ginawa ni Auto AutoHub Group,
Kinonvert na nila to Nexthub Autocare, parang maintenance na din sa car care area. One-stop shop. Ang ganda. At ako sa mga, like kami, may mga kaibigan tayo, may mga car shops. Ito ang dream shop.
Ito mo, may mga press machine, press in, press out.
Oo, meron doon, no?
For your bushing,
Bearings,
bearing,
di ba? Oo.
bearings.
Ayos, ang ganda. Kompleto na rin dito. So, one-stop shop talaga. So,
And kita mo naman yung tools, diba? Kompleto
tools iba.
talaga.
Kasi may notion din minsan ang mga new car owners medyo natatakot magpagawa din sa kase.
True, kasi
Mahal, medyo pricey. So, minsan di mo pa nakikita. Unlike here, if you go here at AutoHub,
you can visit the car while fixing.
oo, pwede mong i-check.
Unlike kasa, maglakad ka lang sa...
Oo, tsaka makikita mo kung
Nabulin
talagang,
yung mga
for example, yung mga horror stories na naririnig natin na minsan dito pala pinapalitan nyo. Ito, makikita mo lahat, pinapalitan siya ng MOTUL na oil. So, ayan. So, at least dito, while you wait, you can watch kung paano siya i-repair or tambay ka dun sa lounge. But I'm pretty sure maganda lahat ng gawa dito. Casa style.
Hi, today we're launching our second Nexthub branch in Metro Manila. The first one was in Taytay, and today we're launching the one in Pasig, no, along C. Raimundo. And we will call it Nexthub Central because it's in the central part of Metro Manila. So we're very excited about Nexthub because as we notice, a lot of cars after the warranty period do not go to the authorized dealers anymore. And we would like to take advantage of these customers to service with Nexthub. No? And we promise that the quality of service will be similar to authorized dealers, but at a much lower price. Beside it, we will have ACCS, which is Authorized Car Care Services. It's also a shortcut for the word accessories. So we will have accessories not only for 4 wheels but also for 2 wheels.
For 2 wheels. Okay po, sir. So, if you can invite our viewers po to visit Nexthub.
To all Carbon Media viewers, I'd like to invite you to come to Nexthub here in C. Raimundo, Pasig, and also in Nexthub in Taytay. And please take a look, come have your car serviced with us, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy a good service. And at the same time, in the next few days and weeks, we'll be launching more Nexthub dealerships around Metro Manila. So, kung malayo kayo sa Taytay and Pasig, a Nexthub dealership will be coming up soon in your respective location.
Now we have Ma'am Sharon of Nexthub Autocare. Ma'am, thank you for inviting us today for Carbon Media. We really appreciate it. Sorry, late kami. Na-traffic kami, umulan.
It's okay, traffic talaga dito.
Oh, si Raimundo. Dito lang to. Si Raimundo, Pasig. Ano ba mga next promos nyo?
Currently, we have, all-in-one change oil package promo. So, nandun na lahat siya at a very lower, and quality siya. Quality price. Lower price, quality price. Ganyan,
magandang mga packages.
Yes,
for the
and
change oil.
Of course, we use MOTUL for our
For the oils.
oil.
Exclusive MOTUL oils here at
Yes.
Nexthub Autocare.
Yes.
Yan, isa
So,
rin pong brand partner namin for Carbon Media, si
Yes.
MOTUL
Actually,
AUTOPLUS.
gusto ko lang din yabang yung pinagawa namin na car gear courtesy of MOTUL.
Tignan natin, ma'am.
Ito kanino po
Ito, itong kotse na to. Wala.
Ito, kanino ba to?
Ito ang aming Carbon Media car.
Kaskasan daw to.
Wag.
Dadalhin natin yan sa paint hub. So there.
Yan.
Yung sinasabi ko all-in-one.
Yung all-in-one. So, yan. Ito yung shop. Ang laki, guys. I'm pretty sure
Sabi ko tayo.
you're never going to miss this shop pag dumaan kayo dito sa C. Raimundo. Kitang-kita siya at ang laki.
This is C. Raimundo, di ba?
Yeah, C. Raimundo. Ayan, this is the shop. The AutoHub Group and the Nexthub Autocare. Ayan, so punta lang kayo dito. Meron mga Nissan display, Triumph motorcycles, Vespa. Ayan, dito. Tapos pa-schedule na kayo for your car maintenance.
Hanapin mo lang si Ma'am Sharon.
Hanapin nyo lang si Ma'am Sharon. Saka si Don.
Ay, wala ako dito.
Sa MOTUL oil. Manghingi tayong oil. Ayan. This is it for today's episode. Ayan, dito tayo. Again, this is Mikey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You could also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, this is Mikey, together with Don and Kim. Peace out. Thanks for watching.